Welcome to the Color Lift and Camouflage tutorial. The procedure is mainly to correct and remove old unwanted pigment, reconstruct your traditional brows to a more modern look with updated microblading hair strokes. We will be showing you the full procedure of the removal with Color Lift and show you the benefits of the product and how effective it is. Most removal procedures requires multiple sessions with healing time of 6 weeks in between each session. Color Lift has been used for tattoo removal, permanent makeup removal. In the past few years, there's been many successful cases. This will give you potential clients a sense of relief knowing there is a resolution to fixing old unwanted permanent makeup, giving them hope for a new and improved look. For preparation, we want to have all your components, all your cleansing lotions, your Color Lift solution, your skin tone, all your anesthetics, your Q-tips, cotton, and your machine and needles. Another important preparation would be your lighting. A magnifier is also needed to focus and visualize on the exact area of the removal. It will give you the ability to perform more accurately and precise. First, we're going to clean thoroughly your work site. Make sure that all the barrier film is placed in the correct areas. And make sure your work site is sanitized and your machines are ready, along with your needles. Now we're ready for the procedure. We're going to go ahead and take your needle. We're going to go ahead and mix it in here with our formula. Remember, 10 drops of Color Lift to 1 drop of our skin tone pigment. Again, today we are using beige. Going to go ahead and work here on the top nice and slow, using your pointillism technique for better blending. As you can see, the color is fading. The darker spots are lightening. Okay, again, stretch the skin nicely for the comfort level of your client. Let the Color Lift work into the skin, along with your camouflaging. Working thoroughly right on top of the dark area. Focusing on blending out those spots. Okay, we want to go ahead and look at the outcome. The procedure, as you can see, that the pigment is lifting up. Lightly with the pointillism technique. Blotting the color in with the Color Lift. Removing those bold areas. We're going to go ahead and let the Color Lift work its magic. As you can see, as we apply, the color is lifting at the same time as it's concealing. Again, Color Lift is very beneficial for removing. May also be used for tattoos. This is giving your clients hope for a new look. And as you can see, the color is now removing, blending in. Keep in mind that your client may require a few sessions, depending on how dark the area. Our focus is to eliminate the bold lines, the bold frame, bold arches. So as the process goes, you want to make sure that you're numbing the area. Varigel is a great anesthetic for constricting the blood vessels and stopping it from swelling up so easily. Okay, we're going to go ahead and work on the left eyebrow here. Again, focusing on top of the dark areas, making sure that we have a good stretch here for the comfort level of our client. A good stretch will alleviate a lot of the pain. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and work right on top of the dark areas. Again, we're going to be using 10 drops of Color Lift to 1 drop of your skin colored pigment. Today we're using beige. We have a variety of skin-colored pigments for you to choose from, depending on your client's skin tone. So our goal here is to remove the bold frame so we can create hair strokes with the microblading method. As you can see, my client has a little bit of bleeding here. So we want to make sure that we're numbing thoroughly, making sure our client is comfortable. Skin is a little sensitive, but it's working its magic. The darker the spot is, you're able to keep going over until you blend it out. So now as you can see that the darker spots have now blended and lightened up in certain areas. Again, my client will go through a 6 weeks heal, and after the healing we will be able to determine how many more sessions or how much more to do in the next session.